a lot of people are very surprised when they see my bullet journal because it looks complicated and hard, but the bullet journaling system is actually very simple and easy to implement if you're wanting to be more organized. To get started, you will need a dot grid journal. I prefer dots because they help with drawing and are less noticeable than lines or grids. Fine liners or pens, I use Sakura microns because they are waterproof and archival. A ruler, a pencil and eraser, and maybe some whiteout for any mistakes if you're a perfectionist like me. If you would like, you can get some colourful pens and a lot of washi tape to add some decoration. Just be careful you don't become a washi tape hoarder. Not speaking from experience or anything. Bullet journals require you to do something called rapid logging. This just means you must keep your writing short and to the point. You will need to create a key. Here is an example. To do, this is where you list all the tasks you need to complete. Done is for tasks that are completed. Scheduled means that you have allocated the task to another day. Migrated means that you've moved the task to the next month. A note is just something that you want to take note of. And an event is just an event. First up in your setup is your future log. To set up a simple future log, you can do this. This is where you will place events and tasks that fall outside of your current month, so you don't forget them. This will give you an overview of your year, and you will use rapid logging in the setup. Then you need to create a monthly log. This is a basic calendar that you can set up like this, as well as a monthly to-do list. You can put events and tasks in this that you'll need to complete that month. This will give you a detailed overview of the month. The task list will help you prioritize what you want to get done that month. Next up is a daily log. This is an example. Remember to keep it short and use the key to get the right symbols. This will be used for day-to-day use, and you can set these up as often as you would like, or not at all. Sometimes I just use a main to-do list and skip writing one for each day. You can set them up the day or the night before, but try not to set up a week's worth because you never know how much space you'll need. Whatever you did not accomplish that month can be migrated to the next month using this symbol. Just make sure it is worth your time. What I love about bullet journaling is that you can do whatever you like and decorate as much or as little as you want. When I don't have a lot of time, I'll follow a tutorial, like Amanda Rage Lee's on YouTube. Another thing that can make your journal really pretty is a cover. This is one that my mom made me for my birthday, using embroidery. My favorite thing to do in my bullet journal is calligraphy. I learned how to do faux calligraphy before I learned how to do calligraphy, because it's a lot easier. Faux calligraphy is actually really easy to do. You can use any type of pen for faux calligraphy, but I really love using my coloured zebra mildliners. To start your faux calligraphy, you'll have to write out the word normally. You can practice doing this by copying other people's writing. Then all you need to do is make the downstrokes thicker than the upstrokes. This is how you can easily achieve calligraphy, and then when you get more comfortable, you can start doing proper calligraphy. Here is an example from my current bullet journal. Here I've used faux calligraphy to create the heading, and I've used a full spread calendar. I will also set up a memories page every month. This is where I write down important things that have happened to me so that I can remember them. Then I set up one main to-do list if I don't have time to make individual ones each day. I hope you've learned a bit more about bullet journaling, and if it's the right fit for you, it can really help you stay organized with your life.